two coffees today. Nice. Grab nice creamy top. Yeah, that's the strong one. That is it. So, blood pressure's one just kicked in.